Have you stood at baggage claim hoping that your bag would arrive, and in a sea of bags, all black, all gray, you're wondering which one is mine? Or if someone else is going to pick up your bag? If you want to know how to identify your bag, then stay tuned because this video is for you. Hey fellow travelers, this is Norman Payne from Up and Away. Thank you for stopping into my channel and welcome back. Today we're talking about how you can identify your luggage from everybody else's. I know we purchased those suitcases that look just like someone else's. We purchased a black one because we like the black color. We don't want a strange color. When we got on orange, we don't want a purple. I know this is pretty vain, but people purchase black and gray luggage because they're neutral colors. They don't want a orange luggage or a purple luggage. They get black and gray. And that means everybody has black and gray. So your luggage looks just like the next person's luggage. I'm going to give you some ideas to be sure that your luggage stands out. And I'm going to leave these links down in the description. They'll be on our Amazon store. And yes, we get a small commission from each time you purchase something, but it's only pennies. Go ahead and order it from our links, and I'm going to leave them in our description. First off, knowing that those ribbons that you put on your handle are a no-no. They can have an effect on your luggage by blocking that barcode that most airlines put right there on the top of your luggage. That barcode is on there so that it gets scanned and knows where to go. You do not want to get to your destination and find out that that ribbon blocked that barcode and your luggage ended up being taken out of the rotation so that they can manually scan it. And it wasn't enough time for them to get it on your flight. So when you get to your destination, your luggage is still waiting to fly. So do not put a ribbon on the handle. With that being said, here's what you should do instead. One of the easiest ways to identify your luggage is by the luggage tag. You already have to have a luggage tag, and these luggage tags pretty much stand out. They will have your initial on it, and they will be a vibrant color that you can locate from anywhere. Those are easy because you don't have to put anything extra on your bag. You just have to have a very noticeable luggage tag. These luggage tags are durable and easy to use, and they will stay on your luggage because they are connected by these wire straps. That wire strap will not break easily. So get you a luggage tag that stands out. Next up are handle wraps. You can get these handle wraps that go onto the handle. They're very colorful, they're fun, and they will stand out. So you'll know your luggage when you see that handle that has that wrap around it. They also cushion it when you have to use it. You know those handles are not made for handling your bag. But with these handle wraps, they'll be noticeable and cushioned when you have to pick up your luggage. Stylish and functional. What's not to love? Let's talk about security along with identifying your luggage. Getting a very noticeable luggage lock. The ones that are TSA approved, you can get these that are very colorful and noticeable. So all you have to do is see that luggage lock and you'll know that's your bag. This keeps your belongings safe, and also it will be noticeable. And you also want this to be easy for TSA to get into it if they have to go into your luggage. You don't want one of those luggage locks that they will have to break. They are TSA approved, and you can get this through our Up shop. Go to my website, and the shop will jump out at you, and you can order these luggage locks right from our Up shop. If you really want your luggage to pop, they have these luggage straps. They are colorful, fun. You will know your luggage the minute it comes off of that belt, because the strap will be around the entire luggage, and these luggage straps are the hit of it all. They keep your luggage tightly secured if your zippers fail, and they come in different types of floral colors and rainbows and things like that. Anything to let your luggage stand out. They are a must-have for any traveler. And don't forget your carry-on. Your carry-on can be noticed by its strap as well. You can buy a strap that hooks to your carry-on, and you will be able to identify that no matter where it sits. So there you have it. I've given you a few ideas so you can make your luggage stand out, and not just because you bought a different color. If you already own a good luggage, hey, why buy another one? Get some of these items to put on your luggage so you'll know exactly which luggage is yours. Don't go home with someone else's luggage. Purchase all these in our Up shop on my website at www.upupuptravel.com and look for the Up shop. Get these items, and I guarantee you'll never go home without your luggage again. Well, that's all I have for you today. Be sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until our paths cross again soon, I'll see you then. Peace.
Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag Norman.